Good day everyone, and welcome to the bumblebee flower tutorial. First thing you want to do is take your yellow polymer clay, roll it into a nice ball, and do the same for a small amount of the black polymer clay. This is going to be your body and your head. Then you're going to take some black, small amount of black, and roll it out into two skinny little strips that you will then wrap around the bee's yellow body to create those bumblebee stripes. Once you have them wrapped around the body, just give them a gentle pressure to make sure they are secure, as well as secure the head to the body with gentle pressure. Then you want to take another tiny amount and roll it out into a little snake. Cut the tip off and make it a little bit pointy at the end to attach for the stinger. Now we're going to make some wings. So take some white, two little balls of white, and roll them between your hands to make them nice and round. And then you're going to take those two balls and squish them between your finger and your thumb to flatten them out. Once you have them flattened, you can attach them to each side of the bumblebee's body, and you're ready to go. Lastly, we're going to take and make the eyes. So you're going to use two small little balls of white and two very, very tiny little balls of black. Roll them between your hands to make them nice and round. Take the white ones and pinch them between your finger and thumb to flatten them. Then attach them to the bee's head. Do the same with the small balls of black and attach those to the eyeballs. So now that you have your bee, we're going to create the flowers. So with your flower, you're going to take two small pieces of green, roll it out into a little snake, and then pinch it nice and flat to make the leaves. For the petals on the flower, you're going to roll out some small balls of clay and again, pinch them between your thumb and finger to flatten them to make petals. You can have as many petals as you like in a variety of different colors. I have chose to use 3 different colors of petals for this flower: a light peach, a red, and an orange. And I've just staggered the petals around to create the flower shape. Once I have that all pieced together, then I'm going to take my bumblebee and I'm going to sit him right on the top in the middle of the flower. And there you go, you're all finished. Now you want to take this little guy, bake him in the oven at 275 for 20 minutes, let him cool completely, and he's ready to go.